Hi you all, welcome back to my channel. Jamila here, and today I'm going to show you how I made my meal prep of the week, which was some balsamic vinegar and honey roasted vegetables and couscous. Super easy to do. So I pretty much use one medium-sized sweet potato. As you can see here, I'm cutting up a couple of carrots. You can use whatever vegetables you like, honestly. Whatever you like, this is just what I decided to do. So I have a red onion that I'm going to chop up into small pieces and small enough pieces and throw those in the bowl as well with the other vegetables. And then I have some already washed and prepared broccoli that I'm going to toss in there. So now I'm taking some olive oil, and I'm going to start with just putting 1 spoonful of olive oil in the bowl, and then I'm going to put some more broccoli in there and do another spoonful. And the reason why I'm doing it sort of in layers is so that the olive oil can more easily coat the vegetables. So last layer, and I'm going to do 1 more spoonful of olive oil, and then I'm going to put the top on it and give it a good shake. All right, all done. Now my vegetables are coated in oil. I'm going to line a baking pan with, you can use parchment paper or foil. I'm using foil, obviously, and I'm just gonna spread the vegetables on the pan evenly. Doesn't that look so gorgeous and vibrant? So pretty. So I'm just gonna use some sea salt. I'm gonna put on some black pepper and some chili powder. You can use whatever seasonings you like. Cayenne pepper you wanna use. I mean, honestly, you can go on and do whatever seasonings you wanna do. This is what I did. I'm gonna set the oven to 400 degrees. It was preset, and I'm gonna pop the vegetables in there for 20 minutes. Now on to the couscous. Super easy to make. There's instructions on the container or whatever packaging you have. There's gonna be instructions. But as you can see here, I'm just putting in my water. I use some vegan butter substitute and letting it get to a boil, and then I'm gonna put in my couscous and stir that up and set it to the side. So now I'm going to add a little bit more butter. I'm going to add some black pepper and garlic powder. And then I'm going to add some sriracha because your girl likes her food a little spicy. And I'm going to give that a nice stir. Again, use whatever seasonings you like. Sometimes I switch up the seasonings and I'll use different things. It's all up to you and what flavor you're looking for. So now that my vegetables have been cooking for 20 minutes, I'm gonna take them out, give them a nice mix or stir around so that they can get evenly cooked when I pop them back in the oven. And I'm gonna put them back in the oven for another 20 minutes. All right, so 20 minutes is up. I'm gonna take them out of the oven. This is the last round of them going in the oven. So what I'm gonna do now is add the flavor. We're gonna take our balsamic vinegar. I'm gonna give it a shake, of course, and I'm just gonna evenly coat it, not do too much. Looks like I did 1, 2, I think I did 5 spoons. Oh, I did 6. I did about 5 spoons. So, and then I'm gonna use some honey. So I'm gonna take my honey, and first I put it in the spoon, and I was like, why did I even do that? I can just squeeze it from the bottle. So I'm gonna take my honey and drizzle that lightly onto the vegetables as well. And then I'm gonna pop them in the oven for 10 to 15 more minutes. And voila, the vegetables are done, and I'm just gonna let them cool off before I do my meal prep for the next day. Look at these vegetables looking so good, and they were good, so delicious. And then here's the couscous, nice and fluffy. So as you can see here, I already have my food prepped in my container. I'm just packing my lunch for the next day. I packed a little more balsamic vinegar. I think I put a little honey in there too, just in case I wanted to drizzle some more on my food. And then I have a snack, and I just have some Cajun trail mix. And then I packed up some oatmeal to have as well. So yeah, that is it, my meal prep of the week. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a comment down below, give a thumbs up, and subscribe for more. And I will see you all next time. Bye.